Hi guys, Martin from Rite Pave. I just thought I'd give you this news that the channel hasn't been operative since about September of last year, and the reason being is similar things to weather like this, but we had a really busy end to last year where we had a lot of projects which we were going to complete. And if I'm honest with you, the YouTube channel got to a place where, thank you very much for our 2,000 subscribers, the YouTube channel is growing to a place where we want it to be. So we thought it only fair and right that we pulled back a little bit so that we can give you guys the content that you need and deserve. So on Tuesday at 2 o'clock, which is going to be our posting time from now on, we are going to be giving you some absolutely fantastic, awesome new content which has been put together professionally that is going to showcase our work, and we want you guys to obviously view it. And we're really excited about this because the videos are looking more professional, and they describe and depict everything that we're about. Now, if you see, this is a project that we're on at the moment, and this is going to be on there soon. We've got exciting projects coming up, and yeah, I can't wait to show you guys these awesome new videos. So it's dropping at 2 o'clock on Tuesday. That's this Tuesday, and that is GMT time, so 1400 hours, and you're going to see the first video of many. And I'll tell you what, I'm really can't wait. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel. It's going to help us grow even better content, more frequently, more regularly, and you are going to see, you're going to have to just wait and see. It's going to be awesome. So this is more of a launch video, letting all our subscribers know why we've been a bit quiet on the channel. But moving forward, it's going to be Tuesday at 2 o'clock. A new video is going to be released every week, and you're going to start seeing this content. So, and driveways like this. So thanks for watching the video, and we look forward to you watching our new content. Thank you very much.